Now, students, see page number 67. I am reading the limits of civil disobedience. Try to understand, listen carefully. Not all social groups were moved by the abstract concept of Swaraj. Abstract, unclear, not specific. Concept of Swaraj. All social groups were not, we can say, the mood here encouraged. They could not understand exact meaning of Swaraj. One such group was the nation's untouchables. So one important group. So that was untouchables group, untouchable, who from around the 1930s had began to call themselves Dalit or oppressed. Oppressed means crushed, discriminated, kept away. So from the 1930s, untouchables, this group called themselves as the Dalit as well as the oppressed group. For long, the Congress had ignored the Dalits. Congress also had ignored, means Congress that was not listening Dalits problem, whatever their problems. Why? For fear of offending the Sanatanis. Offending means here display. We can say the because of fear. Displease. So fear of Sanatanis. Sanatanis means the conservative high caste Hindus. Because of the fear of the Sanatanis, the conservative high caste Hindus, so Congress had ignored the Dalits. But Mahatma Gandhi declared that Swaraj would not come for 100 years if untouchability was not removed. If untouchability was not removed from our country, from our societies, so we would not come. Means we can say the Swaraj would not come for 100 years. Means we will fail to bring Swaraj, to establish Swaraj without Dalit participation also. He called the untouchables Harijan. Mahatma Gandhi ji called those who were untouchables, what he called? Harijan. Now see next page number 68. All of you see one. This one. Harijan means the children of God. Now Mahatma Gandhi ji said to them, they were Harijan. Now students, listen carefully. To honor them, Mahatma Gandhi ji used such type of words. Organized Satyagraha, Mahatma Gandhi ji organized Satyagraha, carried out Satyagraha for the untouchables, for the Harijan, to secure them entry into temples and access to public wells, tanks, roads and schools. Students, untouchables, Dalit people, they were not allowed to enter into temples or as well as the public wells, tanks, roads, schools, etc. So Mahatma Gandhi ji started Satyagraha to secure their entry for Harijans for their rights. He himself, he means Mahatma Gandhi ji, he himself cleaned toilets to dignify the work of the Bhangi. Bhangi means the sweepers, to honor to such a group, and persuaded upper castes to change their heart and give up the sin of untouchability. Now, Mahatma Gandhi ji tried to persuade upper caste, their mind, their heart, to give up the sin of untouchability. But many Dalit leaders were keen. Here, keen means we can say the so many leaders, Dalit leaders, they wanted what they wanted on a different political solution to the problems of community. They wanted to find out. They wanted to, we can say, the do for their community by another way. They began organizing themselves, Dalit leaders. They started their own organizations, demanding reserved seats. They demanded for reserved seats in educational institutions and a separate electorate. Electorate means area, election area of elector. Separate election area. They that would choose Dalit members for legislative councils. Now they were demanded for reservation, educational, we can say the education facilities, educational institutions, as well as the separate electorate for themselves. Political empowerment. Now they believed that if we get power in politics, they believed would resolve the problems of their social disabilities. They believed that if they get power in politics, political power, if they achieved, so they will remove, they would, we can say would resolve means solution. They would find out, we can say the solution for their problems. Whatever their social disabilities, weakness, disabilities means weakness. Dalit participation in the civil disobedience movement was therefore limited. Now here we can see that we are reading the limits of civil disobedience. So first we are reading the first limit, whose Dalit's limit. Therefore limited participation, where in the civil disobedience movement, particularly in the Maharashtra and Nagpur region, where their organization was quite strong. Their organization, Dalit organizations. Now they established their institutions as well as the organizations. Now especially in Maharashtra and Nagpur, we can see their strong organizations that was working. Now remaining paragraph we will read in next clip.